5-minute quick but effective ab workout. My name is Joy and welcome to this video. Today we're only going to be using our mat, so it's no equipment. If you're interested in sculpting and strengthening your abs in just a quick 5-minute effective workout, stay tuned and get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Alright you guys, so we're going to be laying flat on our backs on our mats. And we're just going to do a Pilates crunch. We got 30 seconds on the timer. I want you guys to have those wide elbows, palms folded behind your head. I want you to make sure that you're focusing on your heels. I want you to pull that tailbone towards your heels and make sure that your legs are nice and wide with your knees bent. I want you to exhale as you crunch and inhale as you lower back down to the mat. Alright, we're going to get in position for some bicycles. We're going to be in this same place here on our mat. And we're just going to slow and controlled bicycle. I want you to do your best to maintain as much pressure on your core as possible. So if you want to keep your elbows folded and your palms behind your head, that's okay. Or if you want to extend your arms at your sides, that's also okay. Making sure you're inhaling and exhaling. Now we're going to prop ourselves up on our elbows just for support. And we're going to extend our legs in front of us in about 90 degrees. And we're going to just do a V out. If you need modification, you can bend your knees. But most times this is pretty effective with legs completely extended and just V out. Keeping that lower ab engaged as much as possible in this movement. Alright, so we're going to just lay back on our mats. We're going to place our palms beneath our lower backs and just have a single leg extension. Extend the right leg and then bring it to 90 degrees, holding that knee at your core and doing the same with the opposite leg. Alright, now we're going to do some heel taps, you guys. You know what these are. It's oldie but goodie. We're going to rotate as we elevate our shoulder blades off of the mat, affecting that lower ab, rotating from our left heel to our right heel, making sure our chins stay aligned, gazing towards the ceiling, inhaling and exhaling. Alright, we're going to do a side plank, making sure we're balancing our weight properly on that forearm and also through the bottom heel of our leg that is supporting us in this position. Want you to squeeze in your core, breathe through that belly as we're holding this position. And keep a nice smile on your face. Very well, we're going to rotate to the opposite side. The same here. Making sure we're nice and stable through that forearm and through the bottom half of our leg that is supporting us in this movement. Extend that opposite arm in the air and hold. And remember, do not hold breath. Alright you guys, we're going to get into an elevated cat-cow now. That means we're going to get in a regular tabletop position. We're going to elevate our body slightly off of the ground. That means our knees are not going to touch our mat. And we're going to do a cat and cow motion. This may be a little bit more difficult than a normal cat and cow, but that is the point of this workout. I want you to give me the inhales on your way up and then tuck in your belly with an exhale.
Pay attention, life is a lesson.
Alright, you guys, I promise you quick and effective, and there you have it. My name is Joy, and I hope to see you all on my other video, but for now, have a beautiful day and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Once you see the scenery around you, nature provides the vibes to keep us down to a healthy mind state. No wait, the clouds have found you. Looking at those pearly gates, wishing for round two. Back those steps to all before you crawl, before those judgments, when that energy was raw. Question mankind, abide by nature's lie. I don't like the legal system, they got one too many flaws. Pardon me for running off my job, but these lyrics are raw like sunny days in the eye.